Okay, so ito yung hallway niya. So, merong like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms. Close natin kasi may lamok. Yun, may water dispenser doon. Ang galing. Oh, may kalesa. Oh, may playground. May kalesa. Saan ba kami kagabi galing? Hindi ko maalala. Doon. And, yan. Oh. Okay, so ito yung pool. Wow, grabe yung pool. Parang pang competition. So, ito yung pool niya. Na mala Olympic. Naku, ibig sabihin kung parang pang competition yan, ibig sabihin malalim yan. Shucks, pwede ba yan sa amin ni Kayla? Hala. Gosh. Johnny, is there other swimming pool? I think malalim ito na. Kasi parang pang competition eh. Tapos doon merong mga, I think dyan yung shower room or dressing room. Oh, ang taray naman nito. Tingnan mo, meron pa parang, alam mo yun, yung parang pang golf course ng mga shalala. Oh, ayan o. Tapos dito, ay, parang pang ano talaga to kasi tingnan mo, may upuan para sa mga nanonood. Tapos doon, meron pang ibang accommodation. Dito, yan, pwede kayo mag-golf. Tapos doon, may playground ng mga bata. Ayan. Good morning guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Tarlac. Kasi meron si hubby speaking engagement mamaya. And while waiting for our breakfast na piniprepare nila is yun, sinusurvey namin yung area kung anong meron. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay. Ang lawak ng area. Cabana al fresco. Tapos nandun yung play area. Dito merong mga function room. Dito, wala pang nakakulong pero siguro lalagyan nila to ng mga animals. Bago to eh. Bago tong accommodation na to. And yun, parang 3,000 namin nakuha. At maganda yung room, syempre bago. Maganda yung rooms niya. At ang lawak niya. Yun hanggang doon. Ayan. Dito, pwede ano to? Ano kaya to? Para saan kaya itong mga parang cottage na to? May events? Ha?
Siguro yung goal nila dito from park. So may mga events outside.
Ayan o, may mga cottage. Anong pangalan ng place na to, Han?
North Victoria.
North Victoria dito
Sports
sa...
and Leisure.
North Victoria Sports and Leisure. Okay.
Mga events place siya. Saka sports place. Sports event.
Kaya pala... Be, parang hindi tayo pwede dun sa swimming pool kasi mukhang malalim.
For yung pinakama,
Merong 4? Okay.
pwede. Buti nga mga ano to, mga fruits yung nilagay nila.
Siguro artificial tong grass na to. It looks perfect eh.
Mas okay itong mga fruits dito sa
Which fruit? Which one? Fruit ba yan?
mga fruits yung nilagay nila ba?
Oh.
Hindi, ano.
Okay. So, pag nandito, tapos may kasama kang bata, hindi naman maboboard kasi may playground. Oh, kahit hindi bata. Tapos doon, oh, tingnan niyo yung yung paakyat doon sa taas. Ano pa siya, friendly dahil ramp. Okay, the bleacher. Ayun, may mga bleacher dito. Tapos dito, yung swimming area. Ayan. Sana meron. Sabi niya meron daw 4 feet. Saan kaya nakasulat yung 4 feet? Pag tinignan mo naman, at sa ano niya, ay mukhang malalim. So, ayan na yung name ng place. North Victoria. Okay. I wonder. I'm hungry. I'm quite hungry, yes. Wow. Sana pinicturean ko, di ba? Oh, and I noticed that meron sila mga solar panel. Ready, ready. Okay, and meron sila nito pag sobrang init na. So, ilalagay yan, ilalatag para naman medyo malilim. Ang galing, galing, galing. Very good. And the statue. Oh, ang sabi. Oh, may family room doon.
7.5 po.
May discounted na yan. Magkano pag discount?
Like, kalba, meron pong senior, 20%.
20% discount.
Tapos ito po yung aming sinasabing boardroom sa taas.
Anong boardroom dyan?
Parang meeting, ano po siya, classroom type siya. May whiteboard.
Okay.
Maximum naman po niya is 40 packs.
40 packs. Okay. Magkano yan? Per
Ano po yan, sir? 10,000 for 8 to 5.
8 to 5. 10,000. 10,000, 8 to 5. Okay.
Tapos dito po, sir,
Ano yung
may
sa baba?
KTV po kami dyan, billiards and darts. Ngayon, sir, since naka-check-in naman kayo, pwede kayo mag-avail, may free 1 hour kayo.
1 hour.
Yes po. For mga sports amenities namin, billiards, darts, badminton, volleyball, basketball din po. Table tennis as well meron din.
Saan yung table tennis?
Sa taas po.
1 hour
Wow.
lang? Per
So, pang
per
leisure
game?
talaga siya.
Hindi po.
Pang
Basta
sports.
consumable for 1 hour.
So pag pumasok ka dyan, 1 hour ka lang?
Apo. Free lang po yun.
Free lang yun.
Pero pwede din naman po kayo mag-avail, 200 per hour lang naman.
200 per hour. Per head.
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi po.
Any
Basta
sports?
1 hour, 1 hour kahit ilan na po kayo doon.
Kahit ilan na yun. Okay. Alright. So may mga sports, may mga games talaga na naka-design na
Yes po.
kung i-rent ko siya for 2 hours, that's 400. So, buong pamilya na
Yes
makalaro.
po, pwede
Oh,
naman.
nice, no? Okay. So, may badminton.
Volleyball po,
May
table
volleyball,
tennis,
table tennis.
basketball po, tapos dito darts and billiards.
So,
KTV.
pwede pala magparang sports fest dito
Yes
gagawin,
po.
no?
Oh.
Kung may mga team building
Oh,
or
team
ano po
building.
kayo, pwede
Oo.
po. sir.
Alright. Alright. So,
Balak niyo po.
Kasi nagti-team building ako eh.
Ay, opo. Ano pong company na rin,
Pwede
sir?
tayo mag-partner.
In fairness, parang mura yung food kasi ayang pasta 155. Price starts at 155. Okay. Price starts dito. Oh, squash soup. Okay, in here. Okay. Okay, we're done with the breakfast. So, we will go to the boardroom, ang tawag. Yeah. So, meron mga games doon like dart, billiards, and other games. We will try it. So, dahil naka-check-in daw kami dito, we have 1 hour for free. And, pag magre-rent kayo, pag gusto nyo pa more, I think it's 200. And it is good for 1 hour. So, kung group kayo, yon 100 lang, 200 lang. So, we are waiting for them to open the door. Oh. Oh. Now, Johnny, you can practice now because the place is all ours. So there's billiard. There's a KTV room. Well, okay. My KTV room. Nice, good for barcadas to have some fun. There's a restroom here. And another KTV room. The lights are off, by the way. Yan siya. So, merong 4 KTV room. Oh, there's dart. What if we try dart? Where are the dart? Okay. Sige nga, John. Try to do the first tira. Johnny. Let's see.
Ano?
I? You hit the ball. Hit the ball. Number, di ba bawat number ba yan, Han? O kahit saan lang? Okay. So, you target one na feeling mo kaya mong papasukin. Ayan yan yung pantira, John, yung white. Ituro mo muna sa kanya kasi kung anong gagawin. Hindi niya alam pala. Wala pa siyang idea. So, yung white, John, yun yung pangtira. Tapos, pipili ka ng ball na sa tingin mo kaya mong papasukin. Do it la. Aray ko. I hope he's a fast learner. Sige nga. Dapat may force na pala. Get the white ball nga, be. Be, get the white ball and give it to him. Near him. Sige nga, John.
Thank you.
Malakas. Oh, there. Okay, sige nga, be. Try mo ulit. Oh! Oh. Let's see. Oh.
This is double and this is triple.
How is it scored? I don't even know.
This is what is this?
I don't know. 3, 2. Actually, I don't know, babe. But this is the center, so it's nearer, siguro.
What is this?
I have no
This is
idea.
a 1.
I have.
That's a 1. Maybe this is a 3. I know this is a 3.
Okay. This one looks like a 3. I don't know.
Basta this is like double.
Okay.
This is a triple. So you got 14. I got 10.
So, tapos na kami maglaro. And ang masasabi ko, ang hirap pala mag-billiard. First time ko, seriously. And ang hirap rin mag-dart. Pero dart is more easier to learn. Yeah. So, pagbalik na kami sa aming room para mag-change at i-experience naman ang kanilang pool. So, mag-pool muna tayo. Let's change our clothes. Okay. Balik sa room and mag-change ng clothes. Yes. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!